What up, YouTube? Got another quick video for you guys. One thing I've wanted to do to a car for a long time is I want a good phone mount. I mean, phone mounts. I didn't want one that stuck on the windshield. I didn't want something, a suction cup that stuck onto the dashboard. I wanted an actual phone mount where the phone had a place and it wasn't going to shake and rattle and everything else. So I found this place. It's called Pro Clips, and basically it's designed to mount onto the car specifically, like it is custom for each vehicle, to where it does not require any screwing or anything else, and it fits in there nice. So I got it. It's a little pricey. It's almost like 85, like $90 with shipping and everything for the whole setup, because you got to get the actual mount and you got to get the actual phone holder. I had to get a universal phone holder because they don't make a custom one for my phone, but I do believe they make custom ones for like the Apple iPhones and the Samsung Galaxies and all that. So I'm pretty happy with this so far. Like I said, I should have done an unboxing, but I already unboxed it before I started filming. But I am going to show you how to install it on the Dodge Dart. Like I said, this car's coming along nicely, getting a bunch of little things done to the car to make it mine, and show you guys how to do it on this car, and I'm sure it works similar for other products as well. But yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm in my car, and I've got the pieces here. This looks like this is the base. This will wind up going right here. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Like I said, it's angled, but it looks pretty good. Looks like it's going to have to go right at about there. And then this is the actual holder for the phone. And this looks like I'm going to put it right about there. And then that will not cover up anything here, and it should leave it there. So according to the directions, it does come with directions. According to the directions, you're supposed to peel this adhesive piece right here off, and basically this little thin edge right here, okay, if it'll focus, this little thin edge right here, this goes up under right here. You got to kind of like pry it up underneath there, and like that. And that's going to basically go like this. Okay, so that goes there like that. You peel the adhesive, and then apparently you're supposed to use this little tool that they give you to kind of pull the seam of this to widen the gap, and then you're supposed to basically press up and get this piece here to go underneath here, and then that basically makes it seamless. So let's see how well this works. All right, so let's start with this piece here. Okay, gonna peel the adhesive. Okay, it says this peels off, but I don't think it does. I think this is just a buffer for the actual piece. Okay, so that goes in there like that. Okay, so you got that piece. Then we use this to okay, and that's it. It snapped right in. That was actually easier than I thought it would be. And you can kind of slide it where you want it, I reckon. So I'm going to have mine right about there. I like that. Okay, so for this next part, I'm guessing you basically take a screw and get this backside off so you can line up these holes where you want it to mount. That way it mounts right here like this. Oh, sorry, like this. So we'll do that. Okay, so I got this started right here, like that. Okay. These are basically self-tapping screws, and once you actually screw this in, it's considered the return. You can't return it. Like, they're pretty anal about that, which is fine, because damn, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna want to return this product. It seems like it's pretty sweet. I am not upset about it at all. Getting the screw lined up is kind of a fun little finesse game. I'm just getting them started right now. I'll tighten them all up once I make sure I'm in line with every single hole. But okay, that one's tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. And that one's tight. So all 4 of these are tight. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with how secure this is. I didn't think it would be quite this secure. But make sure you got that mounted good. Then we grab this again. And our handy dandy screwdriver. And from what I can see, the Pro Clip logo is supposed to be, the P is supposed to be like facing up. So that's apparently how that works. And apparently you can swivel this however you want. Okay, so there you go. That is the end product, y'all. Pretty happy about it. Phone fits in there pretty good. This is an adjustable one. It's not specifically made for a phone, but this one seems to work pretty good. I would take a picture, but unfortunately I'm using my phone to film. So, but it fits in there good, guys. I'm very happy with it. I'm not getting any rattling or anything out of it. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I can't really complain too much for what it is. Alright guys, so that was the installation of the Pro Clip for the Dodge Dart. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. The directions were fairly accurate, I would say. Like I said, if I can install it real quick, just about anybody can. I think it's going to fit good right where it's at. It's going to be a nice place where I could just mount my phone. I don't have to continue to whatever fudge with it, so like I said, I'm pretty happy about it. But you guys know me. I'm always bringing new videos when I think of them. I got more stuff coming for the car, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. The channel's growing, and I want to keep it growing, keep bringing you more videos. If you want to see something or whatever, please let me know down in the comments. If I made a mistake, if you saw something I was wrong on, or you have an opinion of, or how I can make it better, please leave me a comment. I try to get back to everybody in the comments that I can, and I appreciate everybody who leaves me feedback and everything. So I think that's going to do it for me tonight, guys. So until the next video,